Welcome to Best Choice. The best grill top replacement is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any Blackstone enthusiast. Whether your original griddle top is showing signs of wear and tear, or you're simply looking to enhance your cooking experience, finding the right replacement is key. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Blackstone grill top replacements, exploring the best options available and helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Utheer 25 Cast Iron Griddle for Grills. Introducing the Utheer Cast Iron Griddle, designed to elevate your grilling experience. This versatile griddle is perfect for any occasion, from camping trips to backyard BBQs. It fits most gas and charcoal grills. This makes it the ideal companion for any outdoor cooking adventure. Made from thick, pre-seasoned cast iron with a non-stick coating, it's built to withstand high heat. The reinforced ridges ensure even heat distribution, preventing warping. It features detachable handles for easy handling, a built-in grease trough for easy cleanup, and polished edges for safety. This design ensures both convenience and safety. Transform your grill into a complete outdoor kitchen. From pancakes to steaks, you can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner with ease. This griddle is your ultimate tool for creating unforgettable meals. Preheat the griddle before adding oil for the best non-stick results. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or a family dinner, enjoy every dish with confidence. What we like. This griddle's pre-seasoned non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. The reinforced ridges ensure even heat distribution, preventing hot spots. If you're looking for a griddle that can handle everything from pancakes to steaks, this is the one. It's perfect for those who love to cook a variety of foods outdoors. What people say. Weighs about 20 pounds, very sturdy. Even heat, tremendous heat retention. Cleanup was incredibly easy. Number 4. Uniflasy 17 by 13 non-stick griddle for gas grill. This griddle offers a generous 17 by 13 inch cooking area. It's large enough to prepare a full meal, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can easily cook for the whole family. This griddle is designed to fit a wide range of grills. It's compatible with many popular brands, including Weber, Charbroil, and Nexgrill. Just check the dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. Made from heavy-duty, non-stick material, this griddle ensures durability and easy cleaning. The non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. It's built to last. The built-in handle makes it easy to move the griddle on and off the grill. The smooth edges are safe to use. This design makes it convenient to handle and carry. The high sides prevent grease splatters, keeping your grill clean. The side panels are ideal for flipping food. It also features ventilation for even heating. This griddle fits a variety of Weber models, including Genesis and Spirit series. It also fits Charbroil, Nexgrill, and Broil King grills. Please check the specific model numbers for compatibility. What we like. With its universal design, this griddle fits most gas grills, making it a versatile addition to your grilling setup. The non-stick coating makes cleaning effortless, saving you time and effort. If you enjoy cooking for a crowd or need a griddle that's easy to handle, you should consider this. It's great for those who value convenience and ease of use. What people say. The underside supports make this unit very sturdy and aids in even heat distribution across the entire surface. It fits perfectly on our grill, and works just as well as the real thing. It heats up very quickly and evenly, and cooks the food in no time. The matte porcelain enamel surface is a dream, nothing sticks, and cleanup is literally just a paper towel and hot water. It's heavy duty, heats evenly, and makes me feel like a pro chef every weekend. Number 3. Uniflasy Cast Iron Griddle for Grill. This cast iron griddle offers a generous 25 by 16 inch cooking area. It's large enough to handle any meal you're planning. You can cook everything at once with ease. Made with a non-stick coating, this griddle is built to last. It's heavy-duty, resistant to heat, and won't easily warp. Cleaning is also a breeze. The handle makes it easy to move the griddle around. The smooth, polished edges ensure safe use. You can carry it anywhere you want. This flat top griddle fits most gas and charcoal grills. It's compatible with brands like Weber, Charbroil, and many more. Be sure to check the dimensions. It fits perfectly on many Weber Genesis series grills. It also works with Charbroil and Nextgrill models. It's a versatile addition to your grilling setup. High bar sides prevent grease stains and food splashes. Sidewalls are ideal for flipping and turning, keep food on griddle. It's designed for a great grilling experience. Great for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can grill small foods like onions and mushrooms. It's perfect for teppanyaki-style cooking. What we like. This griddle offers a large cooking area, perfect for preparing meals for family and friends. The non-stick coating ensures food releases easily and cleanup is a snap. If you often host gatherings or need to cook large quantities of food, this is the ideal choice. It's designed for those who want to maximize their grilling space and minimize their cleanup time. What people say. The underside supports make this unit very sturdy and aids in even heat distribution across the entire surface. It fits perfectly on our grill, and works just as well as the real thing. It heats up very quickly and evenly, and cooks the food in no time. Number 2. Heavy-duty stainless steel grill scraper. This grill scraper is made of professional-grade stainless steel, ensuring a long service life. The thick metal construction makes it incredibly durable. It's built to last. The scraper features a comfortable handle for easy gripping. The wide, sharp stainless steel blade is perfect for cooking and cleaning. It even has a convenient hanging design. With its beveled edges, this metal grill scraper provides excellent leverage. It easily removes residue that other cleaning methods can't. A few quick strokes are all it takes. This tool is perfect for scraping and cleaning your griddle. It also assists with flipping food and can even chop food. You'll find many uses for it during your outdoor cooking. This griddle scraper is ideal for outdoor barbecues, Blackstone griddles, gas griddles, and more. It's a must-have for anyone who frequently enjoys backyard parties or cookouts. Please note that the packaging has been updated. You may receive either the new or old packaging. This is normal, and it does not affect the product's quality or performance. What we like. This grill scraper is made of heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The easy grip handle provides excellent control, and the beveled edge makes cleaning your griddle a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable tool to keep your grill top clean and in top condition, you should consider this. It's a must-have for any griddle owner. What people say. The build quality is fantastic, solid stainless steel that feels sturdy in the hand, with just the right amount of weight for easy scraping without extra effort. The 5 handle is comfortable to grip, even during longer cleaning sessions, and doesn't get hot when working over a warm surface. It is heavier, sturdier than I expected, and has a sharp blade which makes the scraper efficient at cleaning my Blackstone griddle. Number 1. BQMAX Igniter Kit for Blackstone 36-inch Griddle. This igniter kit is specifically designed for the Blackstone 36-inch griddle. It ensures a perfect fit, making replacement easy and efficient. Get yours today and enjoy hassle-free grilling. The kit uses a DC 1.5V AA battery, which is not included. Installing the battery is straightforward, and it powers the electronic ignition system. Make sure you have a AA battery ready. With this purchase, you will receive one complete griddle igniter kit. It includes all the necessary components for a quick and easy replacement. Everything you need is in the package. This is a high-quality replacement igniter kit for your Blackstone griddle. It's designed for durability and reliability, ensuring your grill starts up quickly every time. It is easy to assemble and fast. BQMAX specializes in outdoor patio supplies, providing quality products. They offer a hassle-free shopping experience and fast response within 24 hours. Shop now and see for yourself. What we like. This igniter kit is specifically designed for Blackstone 36-inch griddles, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. It's a high-quality replacement that will get your grill up and running quickly. If you have a Blackstone 36-inch griddle and need a reliable igniter, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for those who value convenience and a hassle-free experience. What people say. Easy to install as well. Perfect swap when the original failed. Fits great and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.